Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to check purchase date of any iPhone and how we can do it. So let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is you have to go over here, tap on the settings. Now from here you have to scroll it down all the way down and tap on general. Now from here what you need to do is you have to tap on about. Now from here you can see there is something written called serial number, and you can see that is my serial number. Now just press and hold over here like this. Now you can see there is an option called copy. You have to tap on copy so that the serial number is copied right now. Now you just need to go back, open your Safari, and over here in the Safari you have to search for checkcoverage.apple.com. When you search on your Google, you will get something like this where you have to tap on the check coverage. That is going to take you to the official site over here, and from here what you need to do is you have to scroll it down, and now you can see or enter a serial number. So you have to tap on this and paste the copied number over here. You have to paste it and go for submit. Now as you can see, it gives you the complete detail. The device that I'm using is iPhone 14 Pro Max, and the serial number so and so on, and this was purchased on 17th December 2022. Which means it is purchased on that date. And also regarding the coverage, on expires 31 December, the coverage was expired. In the sense, it means Apple provides 1 year warranty for every devices. For me, the warranty is already expired as well. So my phone is purchased on 17th December 2022, and this is how we can do it. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. That's it. Bye.